Configuring Monday.com tasks is a straightforward process that can help you manage your work more efficiently. To start, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to create a task. A board is a workspace where you can organize and manage your tasks, and it is made up of different columns and rows. To create a new task, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the type of item you want to create, which in this case is a task. Give your task a name and description, and assign it to a team member or yourself. You can also set a deadline and priority level for the task. One of the key features of Monday.com is its ability to automate tasks and workflows. To automate a task, click on the Automate button at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the trigger and action you want to automate. For example, you can automate a task to send a notification to a team member when a task is assigned to them. Another important feature of Monday.com is its ability to integrate with other apps and tools. To integrate an app, click on the Integrations button at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the app you want to integrate. For example, you can integrate Monday.com with Google Drive to attach files to your tasks. To prioritize your tasks, use the priority column to label each task as high, medium, or low priority. You can also use the tags column to categorize your tasks by project or department. To track the status of your tasks, use the status column to label each task as pending, in progress, or done. Best practices for configuring Monday.com tasks include setting clear and specific goals for each task, assigning tasks to the right team members, and tracking the status of each task. You should also use automation and integration features to streamline your workflow and reduce manual labor. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure Monday.com tasks to help you manage your work more efficiently and effectively. Remember to keep your tasks organized and up to date, and to use the features and tools available in Monday.com to automate and streamline your workflow.